What's up, everybody? I am Jazzy Denise. This is JazzyDeniseTV, and welcome back to my channel today. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I take this hair that I dye blonde myself to this orangey, reddish, scissor-esque, gingery, burnt orange inspired color. If you guys want to see how I got it, keep on watching. Alright, so I am doing the watercolor method to get this color, and I'm using these three colors here. That's Ginger by Adore and Cajun Spice, and also Cinnamon. So it's mostly going to be Cajun Spice and Ginger and a little bit of Cinnamon, but let's go ahead and get started by throwing our hot water into our bucket. You know, be careful, don't burn yourself, so take precautions, but fill it up just enough so your wig can get all the way in there. And let's go in with the Cajun Spice first. So I'm going to go ahead and put a decent amount in there, and I'm going to use about half that amount in Ginger, okay? So this is actually something I got from a friend, but I like to go ahead and take a styrofoam cup so I can see the actual color that I'm working with within the water. And here I tried to show you guys, but as you can see, that didn't work out so well. So we're gonna go ahead and wipe that on out of the way and get right back to business. And I do apologize, you guys. I woke up this morning with a sore throat, so I probably sound crazy in this voiceover, but it had to get done. So I'm just going to go ahead and introduce the cinnamon at this point, and I'm only going to use a little bit of that because that cinnamon will darken up your mixture completely. So just be careful when adding it. Add a little bit at a time to get the color that you're looking for exactly. Just go ahead and play around with those colors at this point. Just keep mixing it in however you see fit and testing it out with your styrofoam cup to see exactly what color you're getting until you find that perfect color that's ready to take on your hair.
We good, man. Good. We blessed.
Alright, so it is wig dipping time. Just gonna go ahead and lower my wig all the way into that water mixture. I'm gonna let it sit a little bit. You know, be careful. This water is hot. Do not burn your fingers. And just keep dipping the hair in and out, letting it pull up and absorb that water. Over time, you'll see that water getting lighter, and it's kind of amazing to see how magic this is. You know, like the hair literally just pulls the color out of the water. I love doing it so much. Alright, once the wig has taken as much color as it can, just go ahead and do one final look over and make sure all of the spots are covered to the best of your liking. Here is the color I came up with, and I'm going to go ahead and dry it and get ready for the wig application. So here is the wig, you guys, all dried in the final color. I know I look crazy, but everybody has seen the ball cap method. I'm going to go ahead and put my wig on. Y'all, I made it a little snug, so it was a little tight, but I'm going to put my wig on. But as you can see, I can still see the cap on the side, so we're going to fix that. I'm going to go ahead and just lift it up a little bit and cut those edges off. You know, there are safer ways to do it than just ripping it up, but you do you, boo. So put the wig back on. That looks so much better. And now we are about to cut the lace off right at the front. Lace is cut, wig wig is in place, let's go ahead and make some baby hairs. I'm just going to pull out a few hairs, kind of weaving in and out, and then I'm going to go in with a razor comb and just chop those hairs down to a short length that I can make my little swoops with for my baby hairs. And you guys, I am practicing. I am trying to get these swoops together, okay? So I know it's probably looking like a lot of swoops that I may have done later when you see it, but I was just playing around with it, just practicing, trying to get a feel for it, as I always am. But that's pretty much it, you guys. After this, I'm gonna go ahead and do the baby hairs right now, and I'll come back when we moving on to the next part. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and throw some curls in this hair with my flat iron, nothing too special. I was really rushing because I was getting ready to go out of town this weekend, but I just wanted to kind of style it up a little bit for the sake of the video. Nothing special, it's just gonna be some nice little juicy curls. We're gonna take that scarf off and reveal those baby hairs, which, might I add, I think I did a great job, if I do say so myself. And we are going to comb out those curls, and at that point, you guys, it's a look. I'm done. All in all, this was very simple to do. I'm telling you, that watercolor method is changing the game when it comes to the ease of coloring hair. But that's it, y'all. I got the exact hair color I wanted. I looked long and hard to get these colors to work out for me. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to JazzyDeniseTV. Until the next video, you guys be you, be beautiful. Bye-bye.